Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I got some Happy Mail I wanted to share with you. So, you know, we watch different YouTubers and we sometimes get enabled by different YouTubers. Well, I got enabled by one of our favorite YouTubers of them all. And I love her to pieces. She is amazeballs. So, I want to thank her very much for enabling me to go get this hook. It is absolutely amazing. So I guess without further ado, Crystal, thank you for enabling me to go buy this hook. I went over to Nelsonwood's website and I ordered a Nelsonwood hook. And it is absolutely stunning. So, I'll have to show you. It is called Barbados, and it has bloodwood ends and pink holly rings. I'm trying to get the camera to catch the hook and not me. And it is absolutely stunning. It is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I ordered a size I. This hook is so stunning. I'm looking to see if I have something black to put behind it, but I don't. This hook is unbelievably stunning. Look at this hook. This hook is just plain stunning. Come on. There it is. Look at these stunning colors. That is unbelievably gorgeous. It is unbelievable. The color of the bloodwood is right here. It's actually a lot lighter than it was showing up on camera. And these are pink. And look at that. It's an eye. Come on. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at this. It's so beautiful. The colors in this are actually very bright. But look at these colors. I could talk about this hook for an hour. It is so stunning. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. There's the brightness of the hook. That's the true brightness of the hook. My paper made it darker. There you go. That's how bright she is. Oh, this hook is just so stunning and gorgeous. Oh my gosh. If you've never gone and looked on his website, it is amazeballs. It is just unbelievable. This hook is just absolutely smooth. It feels so lovely in the hand. Oh my gosh. This was well worth every penny. Well worth it. I love it. I am in love with this hook. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I need more. I need more of these hooks. Oh. He wrote the nicest note to me too. I told him that Crystal sent me, and he wrote me the nicest note. So these are amazeballs. Please check out Brian's website. There's so many hooks on there to look at. This is unbelievable. You guys need to really check out his website. And they are unbelievably gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Don't mind my hair being all messed up. I was like, I got my hook. I was kind of freaking out a little bit. Oh, they are stunning. Absolutely stunning. So, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this hook. This was amazeballs. You need to go check out Brian at nelsonwood.net. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.